CES 2026, the technologies that will define the next decade. Every year, CES shows us new gadgets. But once in a while, CES shows us the future. CES 2026 is not about flashy demos or experimental concepts. It is about technologies that are finally crossing the line from possible to practical. Today, we're breaking down the most important trends emerging from CES 2026. Not just what they are, but why they matter, who they affect, and how they will reshape everyday life faster than most people expect. This is not hype. This is signal. Let's get into it. The biggest theme at CES 2026 is not a single product, it is a shift. Artificial intelligence is no longer living inside apps. It is moving into devices, environments, and workflows. We are seeing AI embedded directly into laptops and smartphones, home systems, vehicles, enterprise hardware. This means AI is now local, persistent, and proactive, not just something you query. For beginners, this looks like devices that just work better. For experts, this represents a fundamental architectural shift, from cloud-dependent AI to hybrid and on-device intelligence. CES 2026 makes one thing clear: AI is becoming invisible infrastructure. Another major signal from CES 2026 is the quiet move beyond the smartphone as the center of computing. This does not mean phones are disappearing, it means they are losing dominance. We're seeing advanced wearables with contextual awareness, spatial and ambient computing interfaces, glasses, rings, and voice-first systems designed to reduce screen dependency. The goal is not more screen time, the goal is less friction between humans and technology. For everyday users, this means tech that adapts to you instead of demanding attention. For developers and companies, this opens an entirely new interface paradigm. CES 2026 is signaling the beginning of a post-screen first world. Smart homes have promised intelligence for over a decade. CES 2026 is where that promise starts to feel real. The difference is contextual AI. Instead of reacting to commands, new systems anticipate behavior, optimize energy usage in real time, coordinate across devices without manual setup. This is the shift from connected homes to cognitive environments. For consumers, it means fewer apps and fewer settings. For energy grids and cities, it means smarter demand management and sustainability at scale. This is one of the most underrated but most impactful trends coming out of CES 2026. Robotics at CES used to be novelty. In 2026, it is utility. We are seeing practical robotics designed for logistics and warehousing, healthcare assistance, home maintenance, and security. These systems are no longer rigid machines. They are adaptive, AI-guided, and increasingly affordable. For experts, this reflects advances in perception models and edge computing. For the general public, it means automation entering daily life in subtle but meaningful ways. CES 2026 confirms that robotics is no longer coming soon. It is here and scaling. Here's the key insight most coverage misses. CES 2026 is not about individual breakthroughs. It is about convergence. AI, hardware, connectivity, energy systems, and automation are merging into cohesive ecosystems. The winners will not be companies with the best single product. They will be the ones who integrate intelligence across platforms seamlessly. This convergence is what accelerates adoption and disruption. CES 2026 tells us one thing very clearly. The future of technology is not louder, bigger, or more complex. It is smarter, quieter, and more embedded into everyday life. What we're seeing now will define how we work, live, and interact with machines for the next decade, and this is just the beginning. If you want to stay ahead of where tech is going, not where it's been, make sure you're subscribed. This is Next Wave Tech, and we'll see you in the future.